Puro nga ito nyerba.
Prepare for a wild ride that will leave your senses tingling. Imagine the deafening roar of engines, the heart-stopping crack of wood, and the breathtaking sight of colossal trees crashing down in seconds. Don't blink, or you might miss the jaw-dropping action. If you are looking for a truly top-notch combine harvester, let me share with you the Ponsse Ergo with its powerful performance and exceptional durability. It is more than just a tool, it is a reliable companion throughout the growing season. The most impressive thing about the Ponsse Ergo is its ability to handle even the largest rice plants without any problems, thanks to its smart design and intuitive controls. I was able to operate the machine smoothly, even after working for many hours. This guy is an expert, no doubt about it. He doesn't just work with wood, he becomes a part of it. Every cut he makes is as rhythmic as breathing, natural and precise. Look at those cuts glean, precise, like a symphony of steel and wood. This is a combination of experience and true artistry. The Ponsse Buffalo is a symbol of power and efficiency in the logging industry. With its sturdy design and powerful engine, it easily overcomes the most difficult terrain and handles large trees without any problems. With the power to slice through massive 70 centimeters diameter logs, the LT15 is a real beast, but a gentle one at that. It turns even the toughest challenges into flawless lumber, I can tell you. This machine isn't just about raw power, it's about precision and craftsmanship. The Wood-Mizer LT15 takes woodworking to a whole new level. Showing how technology can elevate the art like never before. looking for something reliable and easy to use? Well, Vermeer heard you loud and clear. The HG6800TEX has it all. It has the power to do the job, the smarts to do it efficiently, and the durability to keep going day after day. I can tell you this is the machine you deserve. Cutting a root ball is always tricky, but this time we're upping the stakes. It's a real high-wire act as these massive roots put up a fight with every cut, making each slice a test of skill and nerve. Felling a giant tree is certainly not for the faint of heart. It's like trying to tame a wild animal. I can tell you that it requires meticulous planning and a deep understanding of the mechanics of the tree. You have to be very careful when the tree splits along its length as it falls, creating an extremely dangerous situation.
Ada burung hantu tadi keluar, guys. Pada bagian banirnya hitam. Ternyata ya memang.
Proficiency in precise cutting techniques is key, allowing for precise control of the direction of the tree's fall, ensuring operator safety and preserving the value of the timber. It's a job of skill and experience. It's a perfect blend of luxury and raw power, like a regal knight, strong, resilient, and ready for anything. I can tell you firsthand, the Scania 650 V8 makes an instant impression on anyone who lays eyes on it. It's not just a machine. Scanias use something inspiring, something that commands respect every time it hits the road. The Vav Vanto pill is a game changer for anyone who's ever battled with stubborn stumps. This finely engineered machine makes light work of even the toughest stumps, effortlessly extracting and splitting them. Its durable construction and efficient design will save you time, energy, and frustration on any land clearing job. The Valmet 8403 demonstrates outstanding strength. Designed to meet the most demanding challenges in the logging industry, this machine not only possesses a powerful engine, but also has flexible handling with impressive durability. Every detail, from the frame structure to the hydraulic system, is optimized to ensure the highest performance, helping you easily overcome all harsh working conditions.